Welcome to EDU World Space.
So continuing on with the podcast series of the reactivity of the non-metals of the elements in the periodic table, the first thing we're doing in this podcast is balancing out an equation. So we have 2H2S add SO2, that is in equilibrium with 3S add 2H2O. So what we're looking to have is the same number of atoms and types of atoms on the left-hand side as we do on the right-hand side. So the next thing we're looking to calculate is the moles of hydrogen sulfide. So we have a temperature of 27 degrees C, which is 300 Kelvin. Pressure is 1 atmosphere, and the amount of coal is 2 tons, which have 3.5% sulfur. So the total amount of sulfur present is 1.8 times 10 to the 6 grams. So the actual amount of sulfur present in the coal is 3.5%, is 63,350 grams. So the equivalent statement of sulfur, where we have 1 mole is equal to 32.07 grams, we have 1975.3 moles. And using our molar ratio, we have 2H2S corresponds to 1 SO2. So we have 1975.3 moles. Divide by 2 because of our molar ratio gives us a value of 987.7 moles. So in the second part, we're taking a look at the ideal gas equation, which is PV equals nRT. Rearranging for V is nRT over P. Where we calculate volume, that is 2.4 times 10 to the 3 litres. And therefore, the volume of H2S is required 2.4 times 10 to the minus 3 litres. So the reaction for the extraction of sulfur by removal of SO2 is the equation that we saw on the previous slide. So the moles of hydrogen sulfide, we also calculated at 98.7.7 moles. And so using our stoichiometric ratio, 987.7 moles multiplied by 3 over 2, 1481.6 moles. So the number of moles of sulfur produced is 1481.6 moles. And the equivalent statement for sulfur, we have 1 mole equal to 32.07 grams. Take this number, multiply it by 32.07 grams, divided by 1 mole. We get 4.8 times 10 to the 4 grams. And that is the amount of elemental sulfur produced in this process.